Hello there. We've got some very unsettled weather moving over the country tomorrow on Thursday. We're going to see bands of heavy rain and some very strong and blustery winds too, because low pressure is firmly in charge of our weather. So we're going to see some very unsettled weather over the next couple of days. But more importantly, out there in the Caribbean, we have Hurricane Melissa now. It's now a Category 2 hurricane. It's just northeast of the Bahamas. But over the next few hours, it's going to continue to track northeastwards. And as it does so, it's going to move over some cooler waters. That's going to help weaken the hurricane overall. And crucially, by around this stage as well, it's going to run into some stronger vertical wind shear, again helping to weaken the hurricane. Now, so over the next couple of days, we're going to see the remnants of Hurricane Melissa transfer east across the Atlantic towards Ireland. Now for ourselves out there tonight, we have a clear slot moving over the country now, but further out west is this large mass of cloud. That's where all the wind and rain for tomorrow's weather is going to come from. In fact, we've got a couple of warnings out for us. We've got yellow warnings in parts of Connacht and southern parts of Munster and southern Leinster as well. We're going to see some heavy rain together with some very strong winds moving over those counties during tomorrow afternoon and evening. Now out there tonight, low pressure firmly in charge to our southwest. That's going to move towards the country now over the next few hours, bringing bands of rain together with some very strong winds. That's going to continue going through Thursday and into Friday. Because low pressure is kind of staying close enough by, it never really moves anywhere. The unsettled weather will stay with us through Friday into Saturday and into Sunday as well. Now taking a closer look out there, it's quite clear out there tonight and more of the same as we go through the next few hours. So it will be quite cold. Temperatures getting down to around 1 to perhaps 4 degrees. Now tomorrow the rain arrives early. It's going to move up towards the country there during the afternoon and evening. It will be heavy at times, particularly in the west and south. Take a closer look across Ulster. We'll see the rain arriving late morning together with some very strong and blustery winds. Similar down in Leinster, the rain arrives early with some very strong winds, especially about the coast. Munster will get the brunt of it. Some very strong winds together with some very heavy rain, especially during the morning, and it will be rather similar across parts of Connacht as well. Temperatures then, we're going to see highs around 11 to perhaps 14 degrees. And going into Friday, Halloween night, low pressure firmly in charge. So it's a mix of sunny spells and scattered showers. The bulk of those showers will be in the south and the east, together with some strong and blustery southerly winds. Temperatures 11 to 14 degrees. In fact, over the next 3 days, with low pressure in charge, we are going to see some rather unsettled weather. That's the forecast. Have a good night.